If you are craving a crunchy and delicious snack, plantain chips is the right option for you. Today, I'm showing you how you can make a perfect plantain chips that is crispy, tasty, and super easy to make at home. This is Oma Cakes and Food. To make our plantain chips, I'll be using all these unripe plantain to make my plantain chips. You can decide to use a fairly ripe plantain, not overripe plantain, but for me, I enjoy it when it is crispy because the greenier the plantain, the crispy it is. You will start by washing your plantain. Already, I have washed my plantain here. Then go ahead to cut the both end of the plantain. Then make an incision line between the plantain. Slide in your thumb under to peel it off gently. Sometimes this can seem a little bit difficult and then your hand becomes tacky and sticky. But then I'll be showing you some secret tips to do whenever you're trying to peel your unripe plantain. Hello foodies, if you are new here, my name is Oma Cakes and Food and I love sharing simple and delicious recipe you can make right at home. You can subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Subscription is free. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be getting an alert and join this amazing family. In this video, I am going to show you a secret tip on how to perfectly peel your unripe plantain. Sometimes, some people feel discouraged and too lazy to peel their unripe plantain because of how messy and tacky it could be and it could look in your hand. In fact, it usually feels like the plantain is fighting you back, like a battle between you and the nature's stubborn glue. This gum sticks to your finger, to your knife, to your cutting board, and it doesn't even go off easily. And if you leave it for too long, it can stain your skin, it can stain your nails, and in fact, soap alone can't even wash this. Let me know under the comment section if all of us have experienced this while peeling our unripe plantain. To overcome this challenge, we'll go ahead by dipping your hand into a vegetable oil or any type of oil you'll be using to fry. Just dip in your hand and rub it all over your hand. Don't forget to as well rub this oil on your knife, both at the part you're going to hold, so that it won't be sticky at all. Thereby, washing your hand, washing your tool, and your working surface will be easier and not tacky or messy at the end. I'll go ahead by using my vegetable cutter to slice my plantain. This vegetable cutter have so many versatile functions, just like processing your carrots, your okra, in fact your sweet potato, anything you want to use it to do. You can also use it as a potato peeler. In fact, this is small but mighty. So go ahead by using this to slice your plantain. This helps the plantain to be tiny and not thick. The tiny nature of your plantain when be sliced make it to be more crispy and as well give you that plantain chips feeling instead of fried plantain. You can see how tiny this plantain is. You can as well use your knife to achieve this, but our advice for you to use this vegetable cutter is even as well affordable. But then if you're going to use your knife, try as much as you can to cut it tiny as this. But trust me, it's going to take much of your time. You can see how swift this is going. Sprinkle your salt on your plantain after slicing some parts of the plantain. Usually, I don't like slicing everything at once, so I do it batch by batch. What I usually do is when I slice out like about 4 pieces of my plantain, I then season it with my salt. If you want to make this a lot spicy, you can as well sprinkle in your dried pepper to it. Add onion to your preheat oil if you want to make it to be more flavorful and delicious when munching it.